Would you like to see what 900,000 range home gets you in the Northwest Cedar Mill area? Well, come along with me. I'm going to show you around this house. Welcome to our newest listing up in the Northwest Portland area, located in Washington County, not Multnomah County, so good for taxes. Let's step inside and take a look. As we enter the grand foyer entry, you can see the beautiful showcased staircase. We have a dining room with wainscoting off to the right here, a pretty large size, perfect for family or entertaining friends. Gorgeous engineered floors. There is a den off to the left right here, which is always perfect for in-home office work, and it looks out onto the front of the house. And as we cruise around, we have a half bath right near it, which is always helpful to have that on the main level, so guests don't have to come into the intimate part of your home. And then it's got this great little mud room with some millwork in here. I always appreciate when builders take the time to kind of add extras. And then we're entering into the family room, kitchen, open floor plan area. Tons of built-ins, as you can see. They put in brand new carpet here, so it always smells nice to have fresh carpet. Big open spaces. There's a great spot along this massive island to put, these bar stools so you can have friends and family over. You can cook, you can entertain. You don't have to sit down formally. I find in my own house, I use this more than I do a nook area, but there is a nook right here, which is perfect for, like I said, family gatherings, casually. Large granite island. I always love a good, solid, large island, and tons of counter space. You've got gas appliances, stainless steel appliances, and this is a brand new microwave here. And then this is the butler's pantry. I really do like these. It's an area that you can store your wine, your beverages, your coffee bar, and then this massive pantry, which is on its own. So it's a perfect area to kind of put all your extras so you can keep your kitchen countertops empty if you like, but a very large, grand size kitchen and dining room area for kind of all. And you also have another pantry off to the left. Not sure if you saw that. So lots of pantry, lots of storage. And then this great big family room, perfect for just enjoying nights. Now we're heading to the backyard, and you have a deck outside, perfect for barbecuing, hanging out, low maintenance yard, fresh bark, and some privacy trees. Okay, now we've seen the main level. Let's take a look at what the upstairs has to offer. Lots of options for bedrooms up here. I can't wait to show you. Big open hallway with some decorator nooks. And we're gonna take a left right now, and I'm gonna show you the bedroom that's most interesting. At least this is how they used it when they lived here, is this has a bedroom and a full bathroom ensuite. So a lot of generational living type setups, a lot of high demand for that in our area. So if you have somebody that needs their own ensuite, maybe a mother-in-law or a guest bedroom or a teenager who'd like their own space, I'm gonna come back out here and we are gonna take a look at the primary suite. Again, large ceilings, good size. It's got a really nice, robust bathroom. You've got a soaking tub, shower, lots of tile, kind of a little space for the loo, and a double vanity and a walk-in closet. So nice layout, good size. Big walk-in closet. Always appreciate that. Right, ladies? Big. Okay, so now we're heading out of the bathroom, and we're gonna go take a look at some other areas of interest up here. We're heading into the bonus. This could be a bedroom if you needed the extra room. It does not have a closet, but it is pretty darn large. They use this as a media room, so it's nice to have those kind of extra large areas for playroom, a theater room, whatever you want to use. Like I said, you can easily turn it into a bedroom. And then we've got an upstairs laundry room, which I don't know about you, but I don't like carrying my laundry downstairs. So always appreciate an upstairs laundry room. And then you have another bedroom upstairs, good little size. And then we have an upstairs bathroom and bedroom. Let's take a look at the bedroom. Again, good size. And then we've got the bathroom, which you of course share up here with the other bedrooms. Thanks for touring this home with us today. If you have any questions on this specific home or any others in this area, reach out to us. All of our contact information is in the description below. We'd love to help you.